Hello students, good morning to all of you. I hope you all are doing great. So I am back with another video. Till yesterday we have done the structure of the earth, and after that we have done the rocks and minerals and type of rock. That is very first type of rock we have done in previous video, and that is igneous rock. Now in today's video we will discuss about the second type of rock named as, can anyone name? Yes, you all are right. That is sedimentary rocks. So let us start. So class, in the beginning of the types of rocks, only igneous rocks were formed as we have discussed also. But due to climatic factors or climatic effects of temperature, rain, heat and pressure, etc., their outer position, that is igneous rocks outer position, got weathered into small pieces of different sizes and formed sedimentary rocks. Now what is the meaning of weathered here? Weathered means change in color or form over a period of time because of the effects of sun, wind, rain, etc. So now let us discuss the meaning of sedimentary rocks first. Students, as you can see, the term sedimentary means something formed with the sediments. So definition of sedimentary rocks is when big rocks break down into small fragments or sediments, these fragments are transported and deposited by factors like water and wind. These loose sediments compress and harden over the years to form layers and layers of rocks. These rocks are known as sedimentary rocks. Now some examples of sedimentary rocks are as sandstone, limestone, coal, etc. Students, do you know one thing? And that is these rocks are also known as secondary rocks because they are the second rocks to be formed on the surface of the earth after the igneous rocks. And these rocks also contain fossils of plants, animals, and other microorganisms that once lived on them. Now, students, let us try to understand the sedimentary rocks through a video. So, let us watch the video. So students, due to some factors like climatic effects of temperature, rain, wind, etc., the rocks get weathered into small pieces of different sizes and form the sedimentary rocks. So students, sometimes pieces of rocks are moved by water and wind and they are carried to a different place. So they are collected together under the lakes and oceans and then get pressed together over time because these rocks takes thousands of years to form. Thus, the rocks that are formed in this way are called sedimentary rocks. Why sedimentary rocks? Because the parts that make them up are called sediments. Students, I hope that you like the video. These rocks takes thousands of years to form. So students, let us discuss now the characteristics of sedimentary rocks. Very first is these rocks are softer than igneous rocks. As igneous rocks are hard rocks because its texture is hard, and when these rocks are breaking down into sediments and these sediments are deposited in the riverbed or along its valleys, so its texture is quite soft. Next point is these rocks also contain remains of animals and plants, that is called fossils, between the layers because the deposits or sediments get collected in layers over time and they are pressed over one another to form the sediments. Okay, so move on to next one, and that is these rocks have horizontal layers arranged one above the other. This point will be clear when you will see the image, students. So I have shared one image with you. Go through it. Okay, so in last, these rocks are mostly formed underwater as we have discussed now only, and hence they have marks of waves and mud cracks. So students, for today only this much. In last, I am sharing one question with all of you, and that is, what are the main characteristics of sedimentary rocks? I hope you all know the answer. So students, for today only this much. And tomorrow we will discuss about the last type of rock, and that is metamorphic rock.